Hi, good evening guys, and welcome back to my channel. This evening I'll be showing you how I deal with my oily and acne prone skin every evening, my evening process. That's good. So I'm going to show you this mask that I make, which is made up of turmeric, honey, and it's made also of a little lemon juice. Now what I do is mix those three ingredients into a paste. I'll probably do a separate video showing you exactly how I make that mask. I make those ingredients into a paste. And what I do is apply that liberally all over my face. So in a minute, I'll be looking a bit like a clown. Now, here's me, as I said, looking like a clown. But as you can see, I've applied it all over my affected areas, which my areas do run into my neck. So I applied it all over my areas, over my face. Definitely not your eyes, just to make sure your face is completely covered. That's what you do. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for this to dry, but I'll show you what I'm going to get also. This is the aloe that I have in my backyard. Now what I'm going to do with this is take a small section of it off, and I'm actually going to do that by removing the two outer sides, and I'm going to remove also the top layer of it, and I'm going to kind of use it like how you would use a cotton pad, like to just wipe your face. Now what's going to happen is that once my face is completely dry, I'll go ahead and I'll wash it all off. After I have the initial mask off, what I'm going to do is to then go straight in with the aloes all over my face, the gel side on my face, holding the skin side. So as I said, once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. So back from washing it off and using the aloe, the next step I'm going to do to remove the last of that yellow cast from my face is to put some olive oil on my skin. What this is going to do is to add moisture, but also to strip away any other yellow pigment left from having the turmeric on my face. And I just lost my earring. Anyway, the video is more important. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all that yellow cast off of my face, and then I'm going to give you guys in a little minute a view of how it really looks like before and after. Well, I can't give you a before picture, but obviously you're going to see after. But it's basically, you're going to see my skin, the pores look a bit smaller, my skin looks a bit clearer, and in general it has been able to diminish, and like reduce the size of some of the acne that was in my face and also coming into my neck. I saw the direct reduction in those places for sure. And as you can see, my face looks pretty clear, pretty seamless. So that's a good thing. So I went ahead and put something on my head so that I look half decent to see you guys. And yeah, this is it. So there's a glow to my skin, almost as if I have a natural highlight. As I said, there's still the little spots where, they're still raised. But over the next couple of days, they will reduce once I continue with this regime, because it really does work. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.